So next important question number 11, exercise 2, phase 6. The area bounded by the curve y is equal to fx, the coordinate axis and the line x equal to x1 is given by. This is a type of question where nothing is given, whether it is positive area or negative area. So we will take simple case only like that. If this the curve, is there any curve by the coordinate axis and the line x equal to x1. So x1, so 0 to x1, 0 to x1, fx or ft dt, fx dx is how much? X1 into e raised to power x1. So now we will consider this as a function of x1. x1 is the variable, for example, and instead of x, you can take here ft dt. So differentiating this with respect to x1, so we will get fx1 is equal to e raised to power x1 plus x1 e raised to power x1. So fx function will come out to be e raised to power x plus x e raised to power x. This will be the function. So D option is correct. Thank you.